Welcome back to the last video of this One Haircut 5 Styles series. Now, this one's a little bit more fun. It's definitely a going out look, and the key product to this is Aranko's Dream House. This product is what elevates your style. Cool, so we're going to have a bit more fun today, and it's not actually that much hard work. Well, it's a little bit of effort, but you don't have to be too fussy. You will need a wand or some kind of curling tong. And basically, what I want you to do is give your hair as much curl as you can. Now, we do sell heat protection gloves, which I do wish I'd brought home with me now, because I find that when not paying attention, I tend to burn my fingers. Now, again, what I said, the key to this is lots of curl. Don't be too fussy. You just want the curl in there. So in earlier videos, one of the things I keep pointing out is if you do anything with hot tongs like this, the key is to heat it up, get the hair as hot as possible, and then let it go cold. So try not to touch the curl after you have curled it. So I've just put curls all the way through my hair, quite curly as you can see. And don't turn the curling wand off just yet because you will probably need to tweak a few bits. So as I said, I'm using the Dream House by Aranko. Give it a good shake and just start spritzing and scrunching. You can see all that great curl coming to life. You can also spritz this straight into your hands if you just want to curl and define some certain pieces. You want to break up the curl as you go along as well, so you don't want it to be too perfect. Now with your your curling wand, just tweak any bits that look a little bit straight or that have gone a bit flat. There you go. A little bit more of a fun look